Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see reactions of alkene. Now, first, addition reactions. Addition of H2, that is reduction. Alkene on catalytic reduction gives alkane. Alkene on catalytic reduction gives alkane. Now, what are the catalysts? Catalysts are H2, platinum, Rani, nickel, and H2PDC. Therefore, propene, that is ethene, on catalytic reduction H2PT gives what? Ethane. These reactions we have already seen in, that is preparation of alkane. जो भी सिंथेसिस ऑफ अल्केन और प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स ऑफ अल्केन में वो टॉपिक है वो हमने डिटेल में देखा है वहाँ पे. सो देयरफॉर वी विल सी ओवरलुक जस्ट we will hear. Now ethene on catalytic reduction gives what? H2PT gives ethane. Propene on catalytic reduction, that is H2PT or H2PDC or H2 and Raney nickel gives what? Gives a alkane. Just we have to break this bond and add here a hydrogen and hydrogen across the double bond. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये बॉन्ड टूट रहा है. ये बॉन्ड जब टूट रहा है ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे कितने हैं हाइड्रोजन एटम्स? दो हाइड्रोजन है. ये साइड में कितने हैं? दो हाइड्रोजन है. तो हम यहाँ पे और एक हाइड्रोजन, एक एक हाइड्रोजन अक्रॉस द डबल बॉन्ड ऐड करें तो ये क्या होगा? ये CH3 एंड CH3 होगा. देयरफॉर व्हाट इज द नेम? इट इज अ एथेन. सो प्रोपीन में से ये बॉन्ड हमें ब्रेक करना है. से जब हम बॉन्ड ब्रेक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन, ये हाइड्रोजन होगा. सो ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक किया हमने तो ये साइड में ऐड करना है, ये साइड में भी क्या करना है? हमें ऐड करना है. तो ये क्या होगा? CH3 CH2 and it is what? CH3. Therefore propene on catalytic reduction gives what? Propane. Let's see the next example. 2-butene. 2-butene में सेम होगा H2PDC. आप इन तीनों में से कोई भी एक कैटलिस्ट आप यूज कर सकते हो. So next, 2-butene on catalytic reduction gives what? Gives a 2-butane. Just to break this carbon-carbon double bond. While we are breaking this carbon-carbon double bond, just we have to add a hydrogen atoms across the double bond. Now break this bond. Now we have to add here one more hydrogen and add to this side another hydrogen atoms. Therefore what happens? CH3 CH, already there is a hydrogen atom, we are adding one more hydrogen atom, therefore it will becomes what? CH3 CH2 CH2 and CH3. Therefore 2-butene on catalytic reduction gives what? 2-butane. So let's see the another example. CH3, that is 1 2 3, 2-methyl 2-butene. 2-methyl 2-butene on catalytic reduction. You can take any one of these three, one of the catalyst among the three catalysts. Therefore what happens here? Just we have to break this carbon carbon double bond and we have to add a hydrogen atom across the double bond. Now break this, just add one hydrogen here, just we have to add another hydrogen here. Therefore what? CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3. Therefore what it is? 1 2 3 4. There is a, on the 2 position there is a methyl group. Therefore it is a 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane is the product. Now these are the methods, preparation methods by the reduction. Just we have to add the hydrogen atom across the carbon carbon double bond. Next next reaction we will see here, addition of halogen. Addition of halogen. So alkene on treatment with halogen like chlorine, bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड. तो ये हेलोजन, ये इंपॉर्टेंट होगा किसकी प्रेजेंस में आप ये रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं, ये इंपॉर्टेंट होगा. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ CCl4 carbon tetrachloride to give vicinal dihalides, to give vicinal dihalides. तो vicinal dihalides हमें ऑलरेडी पता है एडिशन दो एडिशन, अगर ये हाइड्रोजन एटम एडिशन पे होंगे तो क्या होंगे, वेसिनल डाइहालाइड्स होंगे. So now here same thing we have to do there. Just already we have seen in the catalytic reduction, ethene on treatment with bromine in presence of a carbon tetrachloride, that is Br, one more bromine atom is here, Br and Br. Just break this bond. Also break this carbon-carbon double bond. Now add here hydrogen. Add here a bromine and add another bromine atom across the double bonds. So what happens here? Now CH2 will become CH2, CH2Br. Now there is a single bond CH2 and yes, CH2 and it is a Br. Therefore it is what, vecinal, it is a vecinal. सॉरी, यहाँ पे ये जो होगा ये क्या होगा, ये डबल बॉन्ड, ये सिंगल बॉन्ड ही होगा, CH2 होगा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये CH2 होगा. Therefore it is a vecinal dihalides. It is what, vecinal dihalides. Next, another example. Let's see the another 2-propene on treatment with bromine in presence of a carbon tetrachloride. Now simple. Just we have seen, break this bond. Take here a bromine and a bromine. Now break this bond. When we break this double bond, the valency will get free. Therefore after that we have to add the bromine across the double bond. Therefore what happens, CH3 CHBr and Br. Therefore 1,2 dibromopropane. What is the product? 1,2 dibromopropane. Propene on treatment with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride, it will give 1,2 dibromopropane as a product. Therefore next example, see the next example. Here 2-butene, 2-butene in presence of chlorine and carbon tetrachloride. Same thing, just break this bond. When we break this bond, the valency of these two carbon will get free. Therefore just we have to add chlorine atom. So therefore it is a chlorine. Chlorine also break this bond and add one chlorine here, add another chlorine to this side. Therefore what happens, there is a formation of vecinal dihalides. It is what, 1 1 2 3, that is 2 3 dichlorobutane. 2 3 dichlorobutane is the product. Now see another example. Another example, that is, what is the name, it is 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 2 methyl propene. 2 methyl क्या होगा, ये प्रोपीन. 2 methyl propene in presence of bromine and carbon tetrachloride, it will give what, here break this double bond. When we break this double bond, the valency of the carbon will get free. Now add the bromine, add here bromine across the double bond. When we break this bond and add across the double bond, add the halogen atoms across the double bond. Therefore what it is, 2 methyl, 2 methyl 1 2 dibromo, that is 1 2 dibromo 2 methyl propane. What is the name? 1 2 dibromo 2 methyl propane is the product. Thank you. In the next lecture we will see another addition reaction that is very important, that is Markovnikov's and anti-Markovnikov's rule. Thank you.